Today I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. It is a beautiful day though. The air is crisp and refreshing. It feels like we're somewhere between summer and autumn. Maybe it's autumn already, but always hard to tell in the UK, isn't it? But anyway, physically I'm not at my best, but mentally I feel quite at peace. I thought I'd make some comfort food, something easy, warm and tasty. You know, one of the things that always cheers me up when I'm not feeling great is knowing I still have an appetite for something I'm craving. What makes it even better is that I know how to make it myself. That genuinely makes me feel so grounded and so content. Maybe that's a bit too much to say, but we're fine. By the way, I really need to ice the living life out of my face. See how puffy it is. Okay, I forgot to press the record button again. So that's 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of 老干妈, and 1 spoon of peanut butter. I've just finished my meal and my body feels warm, like it's healing. I guess I'm gonna have a little nap once I've digested. Take care, everyone. Hello, happy Friday. Normally I would be teaching on Fridays, but since it's still summer holiday, most of my lovely students are off enjoying themselves, which means I've got a couple of weeks off as well. It's nice. But I do still need to pop into the restaurant to do my evening, like 3 or 4 hours shift. It would be fun. Before that, I've got some time to myself, and my Ikea delivery has just arrived, so let's unbox it together. This is just so handy. So this is table runner, but I'm not gonna use for my dining table. The bathroom definitely needs a bit of makeover. I'm not entirely sure how it's going to turn out. I just can't stand this mess any longer. And I feel so embarrassed to show you guys this. Let's see what I can do. We went to a party last night after a long day work, and I don't know if I should say this. Finding your people and knowing what kind of love you want is probably a privilege. So if you've got it, I'm really happy for you. I've never really been a party person. I thought I was, maybe when I was a teenager, but I guess that's just part of figuring yourself out. And it never felt so clear to me as it does now, the kind of life that I've been longing for. I don't think I will be going to that sort of party anymore, and I feel so relieved after that realization. I'm going to wrap this video up here, but a little sneak peek for next one. I'm officially starting a phone detox from today. I will be filming everything I do to cut down my screen time over the next week, and it feels a bit daunting for me. I can really feel the urgency and the desire to make it happen. So let's see how it goes. I will see you very soon.